Guys, welcome to Fishhook. I'm Charles. It's been a little while, a little better than 2 years, that I took a little departure from YouTube. I have to take care of my business, my family is growing, and everyday life. So these are truly the priorities. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to this. We just had to lay a lot of extra things down. But now we're back in full swing again. We're going to have the same content, fishing and cooking, but we've got a lot of new, different content I think you guys will really like. I really want to thank all my subscribers that have hung with us these last 2 years, and for all you new guys and girls that have subscribed, thank you. I'm outside, you can hear the noise. I've got the beautiful ocean behind me, so we're really excited about moving forward now, and we'll be starting pretty much immediately uploading new content. Well guys, I look forward to some great comments, and we will see you soon.